What's going on, ladies and gentlemen? Thank you so much for tuning in. It's me, Mikey Pipes. Sunday morning, 8:20 in the morning. Today is October 15th, 2023. I'm heading to an emergency service call in Rockaway Beach, which is on the Rockaway Peninsula in the borough of Queens, in the city of New York. We have an existing customer who has a peerless shower body for his tub and for his shower head that's been running all night. He sent me some photos around midnight. I originally texted him at 10 o'clock yesterday evening when he left the voicemail message. I called him. I got nothing, not even a voicemail. I just went with some crazy ring. Not an international ring, but some crazy ring. So I sent him a text message, and that was it. And it said, I message sent, but he didn't respond back till midnight, at which point I was already asleep. I'm an old man. I'm not like Daniel Peter's age anymore, At midnight, I'm usually snoring. So he left another message this morning around 7:30, and I called him back, and they're heading out over there. So, guys, if this is your first time watching my channel, I am the boss. I'm the owner of Pipe Doctor Home Services. We're based in Woodmere, New York, and also Charleston, South Carolina, and soon to be Palm Beach or Orlando, Florida. I have it up in the air right now, but my philosophy is to do as I do and not do as I say. And what that basically means is that I like to lead by example. And basically what that means is if I go out on a Sunday morning for an emergency service call, because that's what we do. We are a service and repair plumbing and HVAC contractor. So if I go out on a Sunday morning or a holiday, I would also expect you, when it's your turn, to do the same. That's my philosophy. Let me get your thoughts and feedback down in the comment section down below. What you guys think of that. The fellow managers and owners on the channel that watch my videos, and also the techs. The guys actually in the trucks like I am every single day. Let me get your thoughts and feedback on that. All right. Thanks. Let's go to the service call and let's go fix this.
So basically, this is what we was dealing with all night.
It sucks.
Yeah. So
It's just peerless, you said, right?
yeah. Well, at least that's what was on the thing.
Now, do you have access to the main water valve?
That's the $50 million question.
All right, so I got the Allen key in there, but there's so much cocky in there, it ain't coming in. So let's take the top spout off. Let's take this piece off. We'll put a cap here. And we'll put on a cap here. Take the shower head off. Put a 1/2-inch IPS valve there. Short little nipple and back to the shower. Shower head is removed. I don't get why people put so much Teflon tape on here. And it's like not even where it needs to be. It's on the other side. After the piece that threads on. Oh God, this is so annoying. Look. Multi-purpose quarter turn brush. Works perfectly. Look at that. Hold on. All right, so I have a 1/2-inch IPS bowl valve, a 1/2-inch by close nipple, and carefully I am threading back on this piece for the shower head. It's plastic, so you don't want to over tighten. Just enough. Okay. Beautiful.
Oh, you mother effer you. Oh, come on.
thing go. All right, cleaned up the wall around the tub spout a little bit. Let's try to get some putty in there to prevent any water from getting inside the wall. Try to clean this up a little bit. Okay. I think that looks good. Beautiful. Okay. Nothing's dripping there. That's set to a temperature. And there is our lever. Pop that open. Take a shower. Don't waste water. All right, any questions?
No, I'm good.
Okay. So the valve. All right. You had mentioned submarines.
Yeah, they do the same thing.
Military?
Yeah.
All right. I took a 15% for your service. Thank you.
Okay, thank you.
Thank you. All right, ladies and gentlemen. It is 20 minutes after 9 in the morning, and I already can hear the comments. Mikey Pipes, stick to HVAC. You don't know plumbing. I would have taken that off and would have got it done by the afternoon. Ladies and gentlemen, it's a football day. You think I want to be here till 4 o'clock in the afternoon replacing a shower body, right? I temporarily, and this could be considered a permanent fix, right? When you think about it, you have a thermostatic control now, and you have a volume control. Granted, you don't got any tub usage, but I asked him off camera, listen, do you use the tub? He goes, absolutely not. I was like, all right, this is what I'm going to do. I'm going to cap that line. We're going to clean up that. We're going to make that watertight with the putty. I'm going to take off the shower, and I'm going to put a valve there, a ball valve. And as soon as he saw that, he goes, oh, my God, it's like I'm back in the submarine again. Keep in mind, a good technician is observant of his surroundings, also what you're listening to as well. He mentioned submarine. Obviously, he's in the military, Navy. So I applied a 15% credit at the end as a discount, thanking him for his service. Thank you so much for watching. If you haven't done so already, smash that thumbs up button and subscribe. We're almost at 150,000 subscribers. I think probably the next couple weeks we'll be at that major milestone. It's going to be epic, guys. Thank you so much for coming along with me for today's ride. Be well. God bless. Stay safe.